Hey y'all, I'm jumping on really quickly to just announce the winner for the Bernat Roving Yarn and the Mainstay Roving Yarn. But before I do, if you happen to be new to this channel or just happen to click on this video, please head over and subscribe. I have a ton of videos. I think there's over 150 videos on there, all relating to crochet, and there is a smidge relating to plant life because I love gardening and things like that, but mostly it's crocheting. So if you just happen to click on this video, head over to my channel and subscribe. Okay, so quickly, I did do a review on both of these yarns. It was the, like I say, Bernat Roving Yarn and the Mainstay Roving Yarn. So there is a review on my channel for that, but because I really didn't have a use for this yarn, I went ahead and decided to give it away at the end of that video. So I went over to randomcommentpicker.com and I'm going to insert the URL for that video. And luckily for you all, there wasn't that many entries. There's only like 29 or so entries, which is great. So let's just see who won. Kathy Miller, yay! Congratulations, Kathy. I am so excited that you were able to win. So I will send both of these skeins of yarn out to you. Kathy, if you would just contact me at the email address here on the screen or also in my description box, 30 days or so, and then I'll get the yarn out to you. So don't go too long. I want to go ahead and get it in the mail. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Look out for the next videos and the next yarn reviews, because that's sometimes I'll tack a little giveaway at the back end of those reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.